In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply numbers in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to perform the multiplication. This can be any workbook you're currently working in, as long as it contains the numbers you want to calculate. In this example, the sample data is already prepared in cells A1 through B4, which gives us two columns of values to multiply. Once your data is ready, move over to cell C1 and type the word result. This will act as a header for the answers, making your worksheet easier to read and organize. Adding clear labels is a good habit in Excel, especially when you're working with formulas and multiple columns of data. Next, click into cell C2. This is where you'll enter the multiplication formula. Start by typing an equal sign, then enter A2, followed by an asterisk, and then B2. In other words, the formula tells Excel to multiply the value in cell A2 by the value in cell B2. The asterisk is the symbol Excel uses for multiplication, so it's important to use that instead of the letter X. If you want to multiply different numbers, you can simply change the values in A2 or B2. You can also adjust the formula itself by replacing A2 and B2 with other cell references, depending on which values you want to multiply. This makes the formula very flexible and useful in many kinds of spreadsheets. After typing the formula, press enter. Excel will immediately calculate the result and display it in cell C2. In this example, the result returned is 50. That confirms the formula is working correctly and that Excel has multiplied the two numbers for you. If you want to apply the same calculation to the rest of your rows, Excel makes that very quick. Select cell C2 again and look for the fill handle, which is the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Click and drag that fill handle down to cell C4. Excel will automatically copy the formula into the remaining rows and adjust the cell references for each row as it goes. This is one of the easiest ways to multiply numbers in Excel, especially when you're working with a list of values. It saves time, reduces manual calculation errors, and helps keep your spreadsheet consistent. And that's it. You now know how to multiply numbers in Excel using a simple formula and copy that formula to the rest of your data.